Most marketers that I talk to think there's maybe 5 MCP servers worth knowing about. Here's what's actually true right now. There are over 10,000 MCP servers, and many of them are built specifically for platforms you're already paying for. GA4, Meta, HubSpot, Klaviyo, Semrush, they all have MCP servers right now. Most marketers have no idea, though, that they exist. But there's one moment where this became really apparent for all of us as marketers. In April of 2026, Meta released their official MCP server. It had 29 tools. You can build campaigns, pull performance benchmarks by talking to your Claude. You don't need to worry about API keys, no coding necessary. And when Meta goes official with 29 tools, you got to pay attention. And the thing is, that tipping point already happened. I'm Jeff Sauer, 20 plus years in digital marketing. I built and exited an 8-figure agency, and I've trained over 3,000 marketers through MeasureU. I've been testing MCPs since they launched. MeasureU runs a hands-on MCP workshop where we help you set these up live. And in this video, I'm walking you through the most important MCP servers that exist for marketers right now. Analytics, advertising, SEO, email, CRM, the whole map. So that way you're going to know exactly what's out there and where to start. If that's useful, hit subscribe. We drop breakdowns like this every week on this channel. Now, real quick, what is an MCP? It's a connector. It's what lets your AI tool, Claude, Cursor, whatever you're using, talk directly to your marketing platforms without copying and pasting data, without exporting CSVs, without taking screenshots and uploading them. Your AI pulls live data from the tools you're already in and actually does things inside them. That's it. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to be a developer. These are marketer tools now. Okay, let's get into the map of what tools are actually out there. Let's start with analytics, because this is where most marketers live every single day. GA4 has an MCP server. Actually, it has more than one. There's an official version, and then there's a community-built version, and both are worth knowing about. What does that mean in practice? Well, you stop staring at the GA4 interface trying to build the right exploration report. You just ask your AI what happened to traffic last month, and it goes and gets the data for you. Google Tag Manager also has an MCP server. So instead of hunting through your container for a tag that might be misfiring, your AI can check it for you. Stape, if you're running server-side tagging, Stape has MCP servers built specifically for that stack. Actually, they have tons of MCP servers, and they're very, very useful for you. And Microsoft Clarity has one too. So session recordings, heat map data, behavioral insights, all that becomes something your AI can actually reference when you're asking questions about user behavior. Here's the thing. If you're a marketer who touches analytics at all, you probably have access to 3 or 4 of these right now. You probably just haven't connected them yet. Okay, this is the one that made me stop and pay attention. Remember how I said in April 2026, Meta released an official MCP server with 29 tools. It's official from Meta. It's not a community build. It's not a workaround. Meta sat down and built 29 tools so your AI could talk directly to your ad account. Campaign creation, performance data, audience insights, benchmarks, all of it. You can all do it through a conversational interface. This is not a small thing. When one of the 2 biggest ad platforms on earth ships an official MCP server with 29 tools, the era of copy and pasting performance reports into ChatGPT is over. Amazon Ads has one too. So if you're running any kind of e-commerce or Amazon native advertising, your AI can pull campaign data and work inside that account directly. LinkedIn ads and TikTok ads both have MCP servers now too. And there are unified ad servers like Cinter and MarketFact that let you control multiple ad platforms from a single MCP connection. And here's where it gets interesting though. Notice what's not on the list? Google Ads does not have an official MCP server. The biggest ad platform in the world? No MCP. Meta shipped, Amazon shipped, Google hasn't. And that gap is worth watching. Quick pause. If you're using GA4 and you want to actually get your MCP connected, comment GA4 below and I'll send you my setup guide. It's the fastest way to get the GA4 MCP running today. Okay, let's keep on going. SEO tools were actually early movers on MCP. Semrush has one, Ahrefs has one. Google Search Console has a community-built MCP with 20 tools. And Data for SEO has one too, which is worth knowing because Data for SEO powers over 750 other SEO tools behind the scenes. And in fact, I use that MCP server all the time as well. Now, these are some of the most data-heavy platforms that marketers use, and all of them now let your AI pull directly from your account. Keyword data, backlink profiles, site audit findings, competitor research. Instead of logging in, running a report, exporting it, formatting it, and then asking AI what it means, you just ask. Your AI goes and gets the data, reads it, tells you what it means, and suggests what to do next. That's the whole workflow compressed into one step. And on the content side, WordPress has an MCP server. And so if you're managing a content operation on WordPress, your AI isn't just helping you write anymore. It can publish, update, query your existing content library, check what's already live before you brief and build something new. That's a different kind of useful. Brave Search also has an MCP, which gives your AI real-time web search without going through Google. That's useful for research workflows, trend spotting, and content briefs that need current data. CRM and email is where things get interesting. HubSpot has an MCP server. Salesforce has one. Klaviyo, which is the email platform for a huge chunk of e-commerce, they have one. So if you're managing context, pipelines, sequences, or campaigns inside any of these platforms, your AI can now work inside them with you, not just advise you. Actually go in and do things. MailChimp has one. ActiveCampaign has one. Beehive has one. If you're running newsletters. And Bento has one too. Full read and write access for subscriber management, event tracking, and broadcasts. The email and CRM category is honestly one of the most mature right now in terms of what's available. And then there's Go High Level. Go High Level has 563 MCP tools across 44 categories. 563. Every other platform on this list, it ships somewhere between 10 and 50 tools. Go High Level looked at all that and they said, hold my beer. So if you're a Go High Level user like I am, your AI layer is basically a second platform sitting on top of your first one. The next category doesn't get talked about enough. Slack has an official MCP server. ClickUp has one. These are tools your marketing team lives inside all day. And now your AI can read and write inside them too. Shopify has an MCP server. Actually, every Shopify store has a live MCP endpoint built in. So if you're running e-commerce, your AI can talk directly to your store data. Google Sheets has one, which sounds simple until you realize how many marketing teams run their reporting, budgets, and dashboards inside Sheets. BigQuery has one. So if your GA4 data exports to BigQuery, your AI can query it directly without writing SQL. Canva has an official MCP server. So your AI can work inside your design tool, templates, brand assets, and exports. Zapier has an MCP server, which means your AI can now trigger automations, build zaps, and work inside your existing workflows directly. Not describe what a zap should do, it can actually build it. Make.com has one too, same idea, your AI sitting inside your automation layer instead of outside of it. And Notion has one, which sounds small until you realize how many marketing teams run their entire content calendar, briefing system, and SOPs inside Notion. Your AI can now read and write inside of all that. That's the map. Over 10,000 MCPs exist right now, and many of them are built specifically for the marketing platforms you already use and are already paying for. You don't need all of them, but you need the ones that connect to the tools you're already in every single day. If you use GA4, and you probably do, comment GA4 below and I'll send you the setup guide so you can get your first MCP connected today. If you want to go further and actually set these up with hands-on help, MeasureU runs an MCP workshop. The link is in the description. And if this was useful, hit subscribe. I put out videos like this every single week. And I'll see you in the next one.